In this video, to do videos, I'm gonna use ElevenLabs, and I'm also gonna show how to do this automatically in make.com. But first things first, you're gonna have to have a ElevenLabs account. When you have a free account, then you have 10,000 credits for free. And if you go here on the left side to dubbing and press create a new dub, then here it's gonna calculate how many credits certain video is gonna use. For example, if I want to use one of my videos to dub and this video is 12 minutes long, then I can download it. And if I go back here in ElevenLabs, upload this video, then you can see it is gonna use 35,000 credits. Or if I use ElevenLabs watermark, which I usually do, then it's gonna use 23,000 credits. So if you are using only a free version, then you probably can do a video around 5 minutes. If you want longer, then you're gonna have to pay. And then you just can map all the things out manually and create a dub. I think ElevenLabs is doing pretty nice job, for example, like here.
Можно подключить личный Google в make.com, Gmail.
And then you can download those videos and upload to other social medias. But of course, we want to make it all automatically. Yes, in make.com there is built-in ElevenLabs module, make an API call, for example, or some others, like over here. But to be fair, it is much easier to use HTTP modules and just add here API key, and then you will get results you want. So to get API key, you have to go click on your profile, go to API keys, and right here create a new API key. You have to rename it, and one of the things that I always do is click this button, and it will give access to all of the things that ElevenLabs offer. So in the future, if you are gonna do something, then you already gave access to yourself. Of course, you can choose it manually, like for example here, dubbing, but like I said, I usually give access to everything. As I already have API key, then I'm just gonna go back here, and this API key I'm gonna need in HTTP module, but I'm gonna get there very soon. So first of all, you're gonna need to have a source for your videos. Right now I have some videos here in OneDrive.
Esto es para ti.
So this is the video that I'm starting with, and if I click run once, then it's gonna take this video and dub it to English. So let me try it. As you can see, it uploaded file to the ElevenLabs, and from ElevenLabs it's gonna dub it and then upload in the Google Drive.
Story. This is for you. Here are 4 facts.
Of course, it's not gonna translate text, but audio it does. So starting from the beginning, I have those videos in OneDrive. I have here right mapping, and also I have a get a file module to get downloadable URL for the next module. If you don't know anything about these two first modules, then definitely watch my previous videos where I explain how to get downloadable URL from anything, including Google Drive. After that, when I got URL, I fed it straight away to get the file HTTP module. Actually, with Microsoft OneDrive, you don't need to have this get a file module, but with Google, you need. And after that, this video URL is going to HTTP module. And here you're gonna have to make an API key authorization request. One of the important thing where you're gonna need your API key is here in credentials. If you click add, then you can rename it, but here in the key area, you're gonna have to paste this ElevenLabs API key. If you don't know it, then you're just gonna have to create a new API key because you can't see it in ElevenLabs. And then you have to press create. For dubbing, you are gonna need to use this URL. All those URLs are in ElevenLabs documents, but there is also much more information that you're not gonna need. So if you do dubbing, then just use this link. For method, it's gonna have to be post, and for headers, you're gonna have to use this name and your API key. If you scroll down, then here in body type, it has to be multipart form data because you're pasting here an actual file, and first item should be in the field type a file, key also a file, and then you're gonna have to map out this file from your previous HTTP module. But one important thing, after a file name, you're gonna have to add what type of file you are having. For example, here I have MP4, or if you have MP4 or WAV or any other, then you're gonna have to add it in the end. Second item is in the field type text. And here you're gonna have your target language. In this example, I wanted the video to be in English and source language was Spanish. So click save. And next thing I added was AI because I was lazy. As this HTTP module is giving me ID of dubbed video, then I was lazy and asked AI to extract it from the input data and also to form already me a URL that I could paste in the next HTTP file as a result. The next one is important because here you need to get this file. Also, you're gonna need to put your API key again, but this module is getting you this video and downloading it, and then you can upload it wherever you want. You don't have to upload it to Google Drive, you can upload it straight away to YouTube or any other social media like I showed in my previous videos. But the point is, after you have done dubbing, you're gonna have to take all the data and form an URL that you can download video from. Also, those videos are over here. If you go to dubbing, they pop up over here, and of course you can download manually them from here. So this is overview how do you dub your videos in ElevenLabs. I didn't build this time from scratch. If it is necessary, then let me know in the comments, but for now, have a beautiful day.